right, so it is the most anticipated gospel event for the year. Gospel icon Cece Winans is going to be stepping onto the stage at the King's House East Lawn Friday, August 1. Don't fall on April. August 1, joining us to share the details, President and Executive Event Producer Eric Hosen and Bustamante Hospital for Children. You leave me hanging there, guys. Ophthalmologist, consultant ophthalmologist, Kristen Cohen-Lynn. Good morning to you both. Good to have you here.
Morning.
This is very exciting because Jamaica is Cece Winans' country, so we're happy to hear it. I want to know how this event came about, to Eric. So let me start with you. So is it a worldwide tour that Jamaica is a part of?
She's doing a world tour, and it's 60 concerts that she's performing.
What?
For this year. And in fact, Jamaica was slated, the Caribbean was slated for next year. But some friends of mine in Trinidad, Church of the Open Bible in Trinidad, were able to convince her to come to the Caribbean this year. So she's actually taking a break in July, and she's making the break shorter just to get to Trinidad and Jamaica. So that's how it really came about.
That's fantastic. What is that logo on your shirt?
It's Come Alive Collective. That's the name of the group that we have put together to be the producers of the show.
Okay.
And it's More Than This is the name of the concert.
Yes.
So it's our album that she just won a Grammy for, the More Than This album. And it's the name of the concert.
I want to know how you got involved with the executive producership, because it's not like you don't have enough to do at Guardian. I mean, and everything else that well, okay, but how did you? This is a different facet of you, and I mean, as a Christian, this means a lot to you. But what is it like in this role?
Well, these guys just came up, it's something that the Lord wanted me to do from year before, about doing something big. And my friends from Open Bible Church in Trinidad, where I preach all the time, when I'm in Trinidad, I preach there and other churches.
Okay.
And they said to me, Eric, look here, we have something big. We need you to be involved, and we need you to be a part of it. I said, but I'm busy. They said, no, you have to do this. It's Cece Winans, you have to. And so my wife told her, and she said, boy, well, if the Lord is saying this to you, then you go for it. And got a team of young people, dynamic young persons, I can't call all the names because they'll kill me if I forget one. But, it's just been wonderful working with them, working as a team. We have achieved so much, and we're making it top quality. Top quality.
Well, from me, I've seen
nothing is being cut short.
Yeah.
I mean, she has her own requirements, but top quality in terms of the sound, the lights, the stage. I mean, just the best of the best that you will see anywhere, whether gospel or non-gospel.
In the world.
Best of the best.
Yes.
In Jamaica, all we have.
And it's not just a great concert, folks, because we have some great Jamaican names on it. Kevin Downswell is going to be there.
Kevin Downswell.
Prince is going to be there.
Prince Sarge.
And
we're going to have Chevelle Franklin. Chevelle doesn't really perform a lot here. She's so much around the world performing. She's out of the UK. She lives in the UK now. But when they heard her husband actually contacted me late in the night. I was actually at a funeral I went to the UK for a funeral, and about 11 o'clock in the night in the UK, he WhatsApped me. I got your number. We want to be a part of it. We just want to be a part of it. I said, Bob, if we can afford it. He said, no, just give us a love gift. We'll come. We're going to come to Jamaica. We want to be a part of this. We want to really support what the efforts that you're doing with the Bustamante Children's Hospital.
So that's a joy, Doc, is that, I mean, this is not a venture for money. It's only a venture for money insofar as everything goes.
Everything, 100% goes to charity between Bustamante Children's Hospital Ophthalmology Unit, Yadel Home for Children, the Governor General's Charities, and also
Open Door Jamaica Foundation. What does this mean for you, Doc?
So it's amazing that we're actually benefiting from this charity. Bustamante Hospital for Children has the only dedicated ophthalmology unit for children, and we serve in the whole island, in the region. So we serve thousands of children, and of those children, we have a big need for patients who have cataracts. Yes, children can be born with cataracts or develop cataracts from trauma. As you know, kids are always getting themselves into a little bit of trouble and getting trauma in the eye. And so this is going to help us to be able to perform world-class surgery for these children and restore vision for children. And that's just
Life-changing.
Life-changing.
Game-changing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so how do we help to make this a reality now? August 1, we need to square that away.
Well, you can join RJR Communication Group and be a sponsor. That's one. Two, we have persons to buy tickets, and tickets are on special right now. Normally, for general, it's 10,000. Now it's 6,000. And that sale ends at the Saturday coming, next week Saturday,
okay,
the 31st of May, and then the prices go up. It's on a scale. We have VIP, which is at 20,000, and VVIP at 32. And we just want persons to support it. As I said, 100% of the net proceeds will go to charity. It will be helping. But you'll come to a wonderful worship experience. And I just say, Cece is Jamaican favorite.
Top tier. Cece Winans.
Christian and non-Christian, everybody.
Yeah.
Just goodness of God, all the songs that she has sung, is just so popular. And come and have a wonderful time, a wonderful family-friendly time. This is not somewhere you're gonna have anybody smoking and behaving. We have different sponsors who are gonna make sure. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is one of our sponsors. Hawkeye, so lots of security around.
Yeah.
We have so many persons who are on board to help us and to kind of make this thing really work for us. So we really are very pleased, happy. Just the level of support we're getting from various sponsors, our gold sponsors, and Grace Kennedy, big time, Guardian, just Hawkeye, as I said. There's so many persons who have just come on board yesterday. Gas Pro, JUTC, Sure Time Medical. And the list is
better
down.
pull up your list there, so Erica is sad, because some if you leave off, some's going to be a problem.
I'll be in trouble.
While you pull that up, Doc, what is the greatest need within the unit that you work with?
We have several needs, but right now we're focusing on the surgical department and providing the equipment that we need to provide surgery for children. And
that equipment is not cheap.
It is not.
No.
And the main piece of equipment that we're going to be getting from this charity is something called a phacoemulsification device, which allows us to do cataract surgery as well as other surgeries for children when they have traumas. Again, it maintains the eye and allows us to operate and restore the sight for children.
Okay, so it really is a difference maker.
It is, it is. And I just really appreciate Mr. Hosin considering us for this charity, and we will put it to good use for the children of Jamaica.
How did you choose a charity, Sir Eric?
Oh, that is a true thing. I'm glad she didn't say Uncle Ricky.
I think
grew up in Mahana, and it's kind of hard to Dr. Lynn.
Yes.
Christine has, just invited me to come to a dinner with sponsors from Guardian to help with the hospital, and from out of that we started having a conversation. I didn't know that children could have cataract. So I want to thank RGR Communication Group, Caledonia Outdoor Advertising, Airport Authorities, Island Car Rental, Crystal Clear Production, Art Manufacturing, Alternative Music, Kingston and St. Albert, KCMC, big part of it, the police, Guardian General, JUTC, and recently we had Gaspro coming on board. We want to thank all of them, and I know we're speaking to a couple others. Come on board quickly, please, help us out. It's all going to charity, but it's going to be an amazing time of worship.
Fontana, Barbican, Waterloo, Mobay, Mandeville, Ocherius, Supermed Pharmacies in Port Antonio, St. Thomas, Papi, and Hughenden, Port Maria, Genus Pharmacy, Portmore, St. Jago Pharmacy, Tate's Pharmacy, but you guys are very also...
Tate's Pharmacy in Duane Park, Family Pharmacy in Harborview, just all over. Source of Light Bookstore.
Where are you in socials? Because your social media is also very active.
Oh yes, at morethanthis.com on YouTube and Instagram, morethanthis.jamaica.
Fantastic. It's going to be great. You're anticipating 15,000 people. I feel you might get more than that.
We are, and we can go up to 20 with the space.
Okay, you heard it.
We want to thank a big shout out to the team at the King's House. Fantastic people.
Yeah.
I mean, that's amazing. The Governor General and his team have just been amazingly supportive.
Yeah. Well, we know why. Thank you very much, folks, for being here this morning.
Thank you very much, Simone.
It's going to be a fantastic event. August 1, folks. Book it on your calendars. It is for a great cause, and you're going to be treated to top-notch entertainment. We're benchmarking this one as one of the best in the world, right? Dr. Christine Cohen-Lynn, consultant ophthalmologist at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, and Mr. Eric Hossein, president and executive event producer for this big ticket event, which we're going to go out and support. Thanks again.
Thanks a lot.
Coming up next, it's all about the Sweet Art. See what we did there? Sweet Art Bake Expo. I think Nev has that after this.
And I can't wait to be coming your way on August 1st. I'm so excited to worship with you and to lift up the name of Jesus together on the More Than This World Tour. It is going to be a powerful night of worship. You won't want to miss it. Get your tickets now at ccewinans.com.